Dear students, today we are going to perform some activity. Actually, activity-based learning. Activity-based learning. And today's very particular activity is criminal day. And here, Isha Yadav is standing in Kadgara, and she is ready to reply your every question. And you all have to ask. She is criminal, I am judge, and you all are lawyers. Okay? Isha Yadav, take this off.
I, Isha Yadav, taking off. I will say truth. You can ask any question of chapter 7 from me.
My first question.
Yes, your question.
What is the summary of the story?
What is the summary of?
Story.
What is story? You have to tell the name of the particular story.
The story name Surprise for Mr. Pug.
Mr. Pong summarize the story.
This story is about a Julie decent person whose name is Mr. Pugs, who never celebrates his birthday in his life. But few children want to celebrate his birthday. They go around the village and ask everybody to celebrate Mr. Pugs' birthday because Mr. Pugs was a very great person and everybody in the village loved him. So they collect many gifts from the village and go to the Mr. Pugs' house. When Mrs. Pugs see it, they burst into tears after looking at the presents because it was a special birthday full of presents which Mr. Pugs never had in his life. In this way, the story is ended.
Very good. Good. Now next question. Very good. Next question. Yes.
What is syllable?
What is syllable?
The smallest part of
Yes.
the smallest part of a word that comes from our mouth while saying a single word is called syllable. There are three types of syllable: monosyllabic word, bisyllabic word, and polysyllabic word.
Example.
Next
The
question.
example of monosyllabic is cat, fat. The example of disyllabic word is magic, Maggie, etc. The example of polysyllabic word is international. It is.
Next question. Yes. Your question.
What is phrasal verb?
What is phrasal verb?
A phrasal verb is a combination of verb, adverb, preposition, or both. It has always different meaning. Example: look after, put off, look into, etc. etc.
Now.
Why did Mr. Pugs want to take his words back?
Because Mr. Fox wanted to take back his word at the time he was never had this special birthday and he knows his neighbor and his neighbor are very respecting and kind.
What did the label from Mr. James read?
It is a pleasure to make something for a person that was so much respectful.
What is syllable?
What is syllable?
The smallest part of word that comes from our mouth is called silence.